Welcome back to level 10 special rules. In this video, we will be talking about special rules regarding mad. Remember that mad is the longest sound. Sometimes what will happen with mad is that it will appear on single letters or letter variations that are connected, and it's just mad on it. These will only happen in the beginning of some surahs in the Quran, some chapters in the Quran, if you will. And what will happen to these are very special. They will be read as if they are letters of the alphabet, and we'll be stretching those letters out. So here we have a noon. We're going to read it as a noon, and we're just going to stretch out the mud as long as we normally stretch out a mud, which is anywhere from 4 to 6 letters long. So this is going to be read as noon, right? Qaf. Here we have a variation. We have ha and we have meme. We're going to make them long as the marks that are on them. We have ha, meme. Here's another one. We have a bunch of letters here. Literally, we're going to be reading each of the letters as they are in the alphabet. Alif is going to be read alif. Lam is going to be read as lam, but it's going to stretch and connect to the meme. Lam, meme. So we connected it. We stopped on it for a moment by holding it. Lam. Okay. And then we said the meme. Then we're going to say sad just as long. So all together. Alif, lam, meme, sad. Okay. And the rest of these are pretty straightforward. Just really practice these out loud. It's going to be quite long, and these are very few. These are quite exceptional. You're only going to see these in the beginning of a handful of surahs in the Quran, and that is a special rule for mad. When a shadda or sukoon letter comes after a mad, the mad is stretched out and then connected to the shadda. We kind of went over that in this here, but these are some more examples of that. It's the same thing as what we did over here. We're going to stretch out our mud, but then we're going to connect it to that shadda or to that sukoon. So how is that going to work? Well, we are going to bring it to the shadda as we did. Dad is going to be stretched out first. Da, right? Then we got to bring it to the lam. By doing that, how are we going to be able to hear that it is a shadda? We are going to stop on it for a moment by holding that letter. Da, okay? Dal, and then we're going to say the lam with the e sound on it. Li, dalina, dalina. Okay. One more example of that will be here. Just say the mad, bring it to the sukoon. This is quite simple. Al, ana. Al-ana, right? And that is special rules for mad.